Welcome. Gratitude is one of the most powerful energies we can feel. When we begin to appreciate the blessings that already exist in our life, our mind becomes calmer, our heart becomes lighter, and we start attracting more positivity and abundance into our world. In this meditation, we will gently connect with the feeling of gratitude for the beautiful gifts that surrounds our life every day. Listen to these affirmations daily for 21 days and notice how your thoughts shift, your heart opens, and your world slowly begins to transform. Let's start. Thank you. Thank you for blessing me with my parents who brought me into this world and gave me the precious gift of life. Thank you. Through them, I received the beautiful opportunity to experience this journey on earth. Thank you. Thank you to my parents. Thank you. Thank you to Mother Earth. Thank you for the loving presence of Mother Earth who provides everything I need to live. Thank you for the food I eat, the clothes I wear, and the countless resources that support my life all come from her abundance. Thank you, Mother Earth, for holding and nourishing me every single day. Thank you. Thank you. Thank you for the water. Thank you for the water that flows into my life. Thank you. The water I drink refreshes and heals my body, and the water I use every day supports my life in so many quiet ways. Thank you, water, for your purity, your calmness, and the life you bring to this world. Thank you. Thank you for the air I breathe. Thank you for the precious air that keeps me alive in every moment, freely and effortlessly. Thank you for this invisible gift that sustains my life. Thank you so much. Thank you for the vast open sky above me. Its endless space reminds me of freedom, possibility, and peace. Thank you. Whenever I look at the sky, I remember that life is wide, open, and full of opportunities. Thank you for this vast, open sky above me. Thank you. Thank you for the warm sunlight that reaches me every day. Its light nourishes the earth, brings life to plants, and fills the world with warmth and energy. Thank you, beautiful sunlight, for shining on this world and on my life. Thank you so much. Thank you for the element of fire, which brings warmth and transformation. Because of this sacred energy, I can cook my food and nourish my body. Thank you, fire, for your power that supports and sustains life. Thank you. Thank you so much. Thank you for the countless gifts that surround my life every day. So many blessings exist around me, quietly supporting my journey. The earth beneath me, the air I breathe, the water I drink, the warmth of sunlight, and the sacred energy that nourishes my life. These beautiful and abundant resources are freely available, lovingly supporting my existence in every moment. Today, I pause and recognize how complete and supported my life truly is. Thank you. Thank you for everything. Carry this feeling of gratitude with you throughout the day. The more thankful you feel, the more beautiful your life becomes. If you found this video helpful, I would truly love to hear your experience in the comments. Your thoughts and suggestions help me grow and create even better healing content for you. Thank you for being here, sending you love and positive energy always.